everyone, welcome to our channel, It's Malay Philippines. It's Monday afternoon. We're here in Balibago and we're gonna meet our friend David from Australia and we're gonna meet him.
Hi everyone, we now near Ambassador and David will show to us his apartment he rent for 1 month in Angeles City. David.
Good
Hi.
to see you. Good to see you. Well, come in.
Thank you, nice to meet you.
Come in.
Yes. David, this is main entrance because I have another gate.
Yeah, that's the back gate. This is the main one. This is where people mainly park.
Okay.
Yeah, it's nice and quiet.
Nice place.
The upstairs level is the penthouse areas, and these ones have 1 or 2 bedroom apartments, and the towers have studios. And this is the office. You need anything, you just go see them.
Office working from 8? No, I just want to when office open.
Yeah.
Even Sunday open, it's good.
Yeah, they're here every day. Yeah, and the housekeepers are here most days, and the maintenance people here also. Come in. Did you want some water? I know you got your coffee or grab a seat. Filipino. Come in.
Big room.
Yes, very big room. This is a 2-bedroom condominium. I'll show you around. Well, this is the main living area. I sleep in here because I can watch the big TV. Has Netflix, everything included, and a subwoofer.
Shaira seat. Hi. David, can you show to us, to our subscribers, viewers, your apartment? How you pay? How much you pay a month? How long you stay? What including in this apartment?
Hello, I'm David. To all the subscribers and to the members too, I'm assuming. I'm also one of the members. I've known Sharia and Leon for more than a year now. So they're very good people. I've been here for 30 days. So I literally booked it through Airbnb, but you can go to their website. It's called the Ambassador Suites. It is literally opposite Candy Suites or Candy Towers. So it's off Sorvino Drive. So this place is very, very good. There's about 18 to 20 suites. They have studios, 1 and 2 bedroom apartments. They also have the penthouse. I'm not sure what is available at the moment. I technically have a 2-bedroom apartment here at this moment. The cost is, it's obviously it depends what you want, how long you want to stay, whether you want to stay in a small little studio. My son is also here. He's staying in a studio, so it's cheaper. So he pays, I think, about 65 to 70 Australian dollars. Studio would be literally from here, this room. You have a double queen size bed, and basically you have a 42-inch TV and a little kitchenette. It has a kitchenette and a bathroom separate, and that's it. That's
Okay, this room, how many square meters and how much you pay for 1 month in peso? In peso, for example.
Ooh, let me work it out. Let me work it out. Divided. Oh, this is my wife.
Hi.
And that's Glenn, my brother-in-law.
Hi.
Hang on, let me work this out for you. 31 days. So I pay $83 Australian per night for this room.
So pay every night.
Oh, well, I actually paid up front. So I paid for the whole month. You can go to the website at Ambassador and you can discuss it with James. James is one of the managers here. He's from, I think he's from London. Very nice gentleman. James is very good. The apartments here are very clean, well maintained. Any problems, anything you need, they're literally downstairs and they can fix it straight away. We had little things, but nothing major. Every condo that I've ever stayed, there's always little problems. You know, maybe the tap leaking or something not working, or you know. But they're quick. Like if there's a problem, they come and fix it. So really, no problem. This also includes housekeeping. They come twice a week and they clean all the rooms.
So 2 times a week?
Yeah,
clean.
twice a week. Twice a week. If you stay less, they probably come more often. So my son also is staying. So there's actually myself, my wife, and my son also here, and we rented 2.
2 separate
Yeah.
studio rooms.
He's in the tower. I told you up here. So he's staying up the top, and we're here on the. And then I have my friend. His name is Leon, the Australian. He
From
also,
Australia.
Yeah. He also stayed in B unit, which is downstairs. So he stayed for 3 weeks. So it's around 3,000 pesos per night. It can go a little bit cheaper if you stay longer. So, but then it depends what type of condo you get. The smaller condo, the bigger condo. Like this condo is actually extra large. The other one is a single 1-bedroom condo. So it's smaller, so it's a little bit cheaper. But I highly recommend you go to the website and either email or discuss it with James directly. He's the one who would probably organise a discount, or depending on what you want to do in US dollars, British pound, euros.
Also can pay not only cash in the card.
Credit card.
Credit card.
Card, whatever. Yeah, bye. Yeah.
David, can you show to your apartment now?
Yes, I can. Okay, so this is the main, this one here is the main area. So you have a kitchen, you got a queen size bed. Now, just sort of say, the bed is fantastic. It's very firm, it's not soft, it's not too hard, very nice bed. Very happy with it. A lot of places I go, the beds are too soft or they're too hard.
Not noisy here?
No, this place is nice and quiet.
Because I seen so many dogs outside.
No noise. No, it is very quiet. You don't get too much disturbance from the neighbours. So it's been pretty good. So you got the kitchen here. It's got everything. It's got a microwave, got a little mini oven, and you've got a convection cooktop. You've also got all your pots, pans,
all equipment.
Everything's here. You got cutlery all in here. They're all provided. You got your plates, glasses, everything's provided.
So for big families,
You could, the easiest thing to do is if you're having a lot, if you bring your family, your girlfriend and her family, just buy paper cups and things and just eat it, and then we just put it in rubbish and just get rid of it. So that's what we do. So you got a little kitchen table here for 2 people, but you know, you can sort of have extra chairs if you wanted to. But they're pretty much the table here. You got a reasonable large fridge that can house pretty much a lot of things, this fridge. The other units, they have a double fridge, so some of them are bigger. So I haven't looked at some of the other condos. Some of them are slightly larger, some of them are a bit smaller. And they're roughly a little bit different. They're not all the same. So I suggest please contact James and ask what do you need, what is your requirements.
he will help to choose.
Yes, yes, yes. He will direct you what you need. So this is the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Come in. So this is a queen, and also it's got fan and split system. A lot of the condos they have split systems, but they don't have built-in fans. So I like the fact that you got fans, and like you said, you don't want to sleep with the aircon on. It's not good for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's better to have the fan on. So we have that. There's also, you've got your cupboards in here. So my sister-in-law stays here. My sister-in-law stays here. There's a safety deposit box.
Safety box.
So you got a safety box. It's in here. You can see there's a box in there, and you put your clothes and stuff like that. So my sister-in-law and her partner stays here, and we stay in the main one. Now, this is the
It's one CR.
one CR, and the bathroom is shared. Okay, so it's a double sink. It's double sink, and you got the shower and one CR. Now, just letting you know, the water pressure is good. Some of the places I go, the water pressure is not good. If you
In
go
the upper floor, good.
yes, yes, yeah. If I've been coming here 15 years, and some of the condos they look very nice, but the water pressure is not good.
I know.
Yeah,
Because before I stay in Balibago,
yeah,
and we stay in the first floor, sometimes not good water
yeah.
pressure.
My friend stayed at Kokomo's suite, but they didn't like it. Now it was half the price. It was half the price, so it wasn't. It was cheap, but let's just say he came here and he said, "I'm moving in here." So he came from the Kokomo Suites opposite here, near Tiger, and then he came here and he stayed here for 2 weeks.
About security, about how you go into, you take trike from this place. It's near,
Yes, so
it's near
this is
Prime City Resort also,
Yes,
and
yes.
Kandy.
Yes.
You take trike or you walk.
No. Now, if you've never been here before, you probably want to catch a trike in the beginning. But me personally, I can walk, as obviously if you guys have been watching Leon's videos, you know that Yorgi has walked from here.
Yes, because near, you
Yeah,
know.
yeah, yeah, but Yorgi walks probably faster than anyone that I know. He's very fast. I walk fast, so it takes me, I would take less than 10 minutes from here to Walking Street.
10 minutes.
Less.
If you faster, maybe 7
Yeah,
minutes.
but let's just say the good thing is there's Carandinas here, there's local food here, there's T-Back and also CEO. There's restaurants and little places that you can go and get food. The food here are pretty good. T-Backs, we went last night. The food is Western standard, very good. Very good quality. They have steaks, everything. So if you want some nice food, that's literally around the corner. It's literally about 2-minute walk. So one of the things that when you stay here, you want to look around. So in the beginning, when I first stayed here, I didn't know where everything was. But I know where the shopping is. I know everything around here. It's very good. I'm very happy here. So
maybe you can show to us outside.
Yeah.
Because now maybe after
If you want,
few minutes dark.
Yeah. Look, the only thing I wouldn't, my wife doesn't allow me is to walk at night in the dark, to walk back here. Look, you're on holidays, use a bit of common sense. If you want to go to the bars and enjoy yourself, that's fine. If you're coming back late at night and it's dark, catch a trike. You know, it's easy, yeah? It's not hard. Pay 80 pesos, 100 pesos. At the end of the day, you know, your security and safety's first. You know what I mean? And, you know, if you're going to try to scrimp 100 pesos, what do you value your health? What do you value your security?
Yeah.
Would you like to get robbed? How much inconvenience would that be? You know what I mean? You got to file a police report, and then if they try to stab you, it's just too much hassle.
Yeah,
So it's easier just to catch a trike back at the night. But during the day, I can walk from here to SM by myself. During the day, I've done it. It's about 15-minute walk. 15+ minute walk. I can get there, no problem.
Yeah, very close.
Yeah.
Walking
So,
street, maybe same distance.
Yeah. But like I said to you, also at the Candy, there's also the rooftop restaurant. You can go up there. Like I said, we've been to the CEO Cafe. Great breakfast. Has both Filipino food and some Western food there. So no problems. Just be mindful that some places they only accept cash, don't accept credit card. But some of the bigger places, they all take credit card. So I've never had a problem with the credit cards. So I have paid by credit card, no problem. Most of them accept the smaller carandinas and the smaller cafes, cash. All right. So I probably would recommend if you're coming here to change. If you go to ATM, do it at SM. It's safer. And you don't want if you go to the smaller ATMs around Walking Street, just be careful. Some of them put the card skimmers and it's pretty dark.
What do you recommend the ATM bank to take money?
I use BDO. I've also used Metro Bank. So those two are the ones I mainly use. I can't, I've used BPI. Yes, I've used them too. I've never had a problem.
BPI, it's 20,000 peso. BDO is 10,000 peso.
Yeah.
But profit from the bank, 250.
Yes, 250 pesos per withdrawal. So it's like I said.
So better BPI maybe. If you want
BPI is better because they give you a bigger amount. Yeah. So, but I've noticed now in Christmas time, a lot of the ATMs, they're offline.
Yeah.
You know
Need
why?
to prepare.
If you need to get money from the ATM, go in the morning.
Yeah.
Okay. If you go in the afternoon, there's a queue of about probably 30 people waiting in line. So be prepared to wait. All right. There was at SM at BDO, there were 4 ATMs there, 3 offline. So only 1 machine working, and there was 30 people waiting. It was long. took me half an hour to get money out. So bring cash if you can, and like I said, it's very safe here, very quiet. If you like I said, if you just want, if you got a girlfriend or wife, or like I have, bring them here. It's let's just say my wife and I are very happy here, and we'll probably rebook coming back here again. We're very happy. So normally my wife maybe have a problem with something, but this time no problem. We've had no real problems. We've got a big couch. Everybody can come. We stayed at Central Park. Love the hotel. The price was there a little bit more expensive, but the
Central Park more expensive.
More expensive than here.
Because little bit because
Closer.
it's very close from
Well,
Walking Street.
it's literally 1 street behind Walking
2 meters
Street.
it's already in Walking Street.
Yeah. So we enjoyed it. Look, Central Park Tower is great location, but it's a hotel.
Yeah.
There's no cooking, and it's a hotel room. It's a room. That's it. No cooking, nothing, and you can't have too many friends here.
Wait.
So
Little bit.
8 foot, and there's 4 foot, and then you got a little spa.
Because I've been in Makati before, you have 10 feet.
Yeah.
10 feet more.
Yeah. It's deep. It's deep.
That's okay.
So you see here, see that tower? That's all the studios. Okay, and this tower, my son's up the top. All the studios. So all these ones are 1 or 2 bedroom, and up the top is the penthouse. No, they don't have a restaurant here. This is just literally the suite.
Security also here.
Evening.
Here parking for
Yeah.
guests.
So down here is Sorvino Drive.
Mhm.
Down here,
It's candy already there.
Candy is just literally here.
Mhm.
And on the other side, if you walk out the other side, it's T-Backs bar and grill restaurant down there. And I normally walk down here and go right, and then Eureka and Tiger, and just hang a left, and I'm in Walking Street. So it's
Very
not far.
close.
It's
Yeah.
not far, but probably about 5-minute walk. And this is the new Candy White Tower. This one here is Candy White Tower. They're building at this moment.
Maybe next year they open.
Yes.
It's an apartment or
It'll be the same as Candy
Hotel.
Tower. No, I think it'll be apartments. You can rent out. You can buy it or rent it out. It's up to you. I think the top one will be penthouse. So you see all the lights here now? This is all Eureka. See these lights shooting? That's Eureka. If you drive down here and turn right, you'll see Eureka. It's
Not allowed light because
that pay. Trust me.
because it's for what is this for airplane? It's not allowed.
Yeah, but they're using it
They
to
think it's already like the what is it?
Airport.
The airport.
airport zone? Yes, now. Because not allowed use drone also here.
Yeah.
I try to use drone, but fly. What name? Fly zone like this.
It's
Fly zone.
restricted fly zone.
Yeah.
Now, around the corner here is the ABC residential area. I had a look. It's a bit more expensive. The rooms are nice, but it's a little bit more expensive than here. And you just go down here. There's like I said, cafes and stuff, and then up there's Candy Tower. You got the upstairs restaurant. You know, the up the top, up there. And you can park here if you have a car. You can just park here.
It's good. David, thank you.
It's a pleasure. I'm very happy that you're better.
Thank you.
Take care.
David,
Advance.
see you next year. See you next year.
I will text you and call you beforehand.
Yeah, you know already Facebook.
Oh, yeah. I always have your website, so take care. You get better. Make sure you.
Thank you
let
very
me
much.
know when you're back to normal.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
And
you enjoy your cousin's
birthday
birthday.
also.
Take care.
See you.
Take care. Thank
Drive
you.
safe.
Thank you. Safe flight tomorrow.